Tax season in Sweden can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not prepared. The sheer volume of paperwork and the complexity of tax laws can make anyone feel stressed. But don't worry, because with the right approach, you can tackle your taxes with confidence and ease. I'll show you how to prepare in just 5 simple steps. These steps are designed to make the process smoother and ensure you don't miss out on any important details or deductions. Step 1. Gather all your documents. This includes income statements, your tax declaration form, and receipts for deductions. It's crucial to have everything in one place so you can easily access the information you need when filling out your tax return. Start early to avoid last-minute stress. The earlier you start, the more time you have to find any missing documents and ensure everything is in order. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Did you know? Misplacing a single receipt can cost you thousands in unclaimed deductions. Keeping your documents organized throughout the year can prevent this from happening. Step 2. Learn about deductions. From commuting costs to work-from-home benefits, there are numerous deductions available that can significantly lower your tax bill. Make sure you understand which deductions you qualify for and keep the necessary documentation to support your claims. These can significantly lower your tax bill. For example, if you work from home, you may be able to deduct a portion of your rent or mortgage, utilities, and even internet costs. Every little bit helps, so don't overlook these opportunities. Fun fact: over 70% of Swedes miss out on deductions they qualify for. This means that a large number of people are paying more in taxes than they need to. By educating yourself about available deductions, you can avoid being part of this statistic. Step 3. Use Skatteverket's online tools. The Swedish tax agency, Skatteverket, offers a range of online tools that can simplify the tax filing process. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and can help you file your taxes quickly and accurately. Their platform is user-friendly and helps you file taxes quickly and accurately. You can use these tools to check your tax return, calculate your deductions, and even submit your tax declaration online. This can save you a lot of time and effort compared to doing everything manually. Bonus tip: the online system can also flag errors and suggest corrections. This feature can be incredibly helpful in ensuring that your tax return is accurate and complete, reducing the risk of mistakes that could lead to penalties or delays in processing. Step 4. Watch out for mistakes. Common errors include missing deadlines, forgetting to report all sources of income, and making incorrect calculations. These mistakes can lead to penalties and interest charges, so it's important to double-check your work. Missing a deadline or forgetting income sources could lead to penalties. To avoid this, set reminders for important dates and keep a checklist of all the income sources you need to report. This can help you stay organized and ensure you don't miss anything. Step 5. Don't hesitate to ask for help. If you're unsure about any aspect of your tax return, don't be afraid to seek assistance. Skatteverket's support team is here to guide you through the process and answer any questions you may have. Skatteverket's support team is here to guide you, or you can consult a tax advisor. Professional tax advisors can provide personalized advice and help you navigate complex tax situations, ensuring that you file your return correctly and take advantage of all available deductions. Or you can consult a tax advisor. They can offer expert guidance and help you make informed decisions about your taxes, potentially saving you money and reducing your stress. Fun fact: filing with assistance can increase accuracy by up to 90%. This means fewer errors, faster processing times, and a lower likelihood of facing penalties or audits. Ready to ace your taxes? With these tips, you'll be well prepared to tackle tax season with confidence. Remember, the key is to stay organized, educate yourself about deductions, use available tools, watch out for mistakes, and seek help when needed. Hit subscribe for more tips and share this video with your friends. By spreading the word, you can help others navigate the complexities of tax season and make the process a little less daunting for everyone.